In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get DocuSign for free. Whether you need it for business or personal use, DocuSign is an incredibly handy tool for managing your documents with ease and efficiency. So, let's dive into the process of getting started without any cost. The first step is to visit the DocuSign website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to find the login option, generally located at the top right corner of the screen. Don't worry if you don't have an account yet, that's exactly what we're going to set up. You'll notice a button that says Sign Up for Free. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to the sign up page where you can create your free account on DocuSign. Next, you will be prompted to enter your email address. This is an important step because it will be your main point of contact with DocuSign. After you've typed in your email address, click on the button that says Get Started. This will initiate the process of creating your personal DocuSign account. Now, after you've entered your email and hit that button, you need to verify your email address. DocuSign will send a verification email to the address you provided. Head over to your email inbox and look for an email from DocuSign. If you don't see it immediately, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it up and follow the instructions to verify your email address. This usually involves clicking a link provided in the email, which will confirm your email and complete your registration process. After your email is verified, congratulations! You now have access to your free DocuSign account. You're all set and ready to start using its features, which include sending, signing, and managing your documents online. Here are a few tips to enhance your DocuSign experience. As you start using DocuSign, explore their various features, such as templates, which can save you time if you frequently send the same type of documents. Also, take advantage of the mobile app if you want to manage your documents on the go. Getting acquainted with the platform may take a little time, but it's a user-friendly tool designed to help you streamline your document signing process. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you enjoy using DocuSign. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day managing your documents seamlessly with DocuSign.